Let me break down all the social media platforms and which one are the best for building your online fitness business. IG, so this is the #1 place to use if you're just getting started. You can follow whoever you want. Pages are quite open, so you can really understand the person unless they put it as private. And there's loads of functions to engage your audience, like stories, highlights, reels. LinkedIn, definitely second best. First best for me, but for a beginner, second best. This is the home of busy professionals. More money here, all right? The average person on LinkedIn has more money than the average person on Instagram, and you may even need to pay for the upgraded version to get the most out of it. I would do this when your business is a bit more established, if you have a niche that is on LinkedIn. Facebook, stay away unless your target market lives here. You have to play the long game on Facebook. They love a little restriction. Build a genuine audience there. You can make a group, just post real authentic content, and it can pay off in the long run. YouTube, the home of the most engaged, people who sit down ready to watch hour-long content or more. I would build this on the side when you get everything running within your business, because it can pay off in the long term and have some good opportunities for like monetization and expanding your brand. And TikTok, no comment here. If you have something about you that's very TikTok friendly, I don't know, maybe you're a dancer, you're a gymnast, maybe you're funny, then yeah, go for it. But if not, if that's not you, then I wouldn't stress on it. Now, everything that I've mentioned, bear in mind that you are your own person. You may have something about you that pushes you more to one platform. If you want more information about how you can grow your online fitness business specifically, then DM us with the word growth, because it's all personalized over here, baby.